Hi, I'm Patrick. I'm the chef and partner at Lombardino's restaurant in Madison, Wisconsin. We started a YouTube channel while we're on lockdown with the COVID-19 crisis. It's been our goal to spread a little lightness and cheer. We vowed to make a video and share it every day during this lockdown. And we're doing it because we're staying home, and we urge everyone to stay home and cooperate with the CDC guidelines. Our hearts go out to all the first responders, the medical professionals, and the quote unquote essential employees that are out there working for us right now. So it's our vow to give them the social distance that they need to do their jobs. We're also really concerned about those who are suffering, sick, ill, or who have passed away from this terrible coronavirus. But during these times, we decided to bring a little bit of levity through our cooking and share what we're doing at home with those out in the world. We've been really touched by the messages we've received from all over the world, as far away as Italy, Denmark, Scotland, all over the US, and we've really connected with some of our favorite clientele and a lot of our past employees. So it's been our joy to bring this to you during this heavy, heavy time, and we just urge you to stay at home and stay safe.